Hello, we're Team 23, formed by Bruno, Gómez and Emilia Zamudio. We're going to present our pavilion named Acalotl, which means eucalyptus in Nahuatl. First of all, we're going to start with the concept. The concept is about the renewal of cycles, where it compares the life of a tree with the life of a university student, and how it is in constant renewal or evolution, resulting in a modular pavilion in the shape of leaves that can be adapted to different shapes. Life of cycle. 3 options are proposed so that the materials are used to the maximum. First, reuse and assemble it in public spaces. Then it would have a similar use to the original. Second one, disassemble and donate or sell the materials. The third one, use the wood for compost. The design process is based on the abstractions of 3 leaves, always keeping in mind the need for it to be modular. Then it was decided to assign 1 leaf per module and that the space could adapt to different scenarios. For these reasons, we use roofs as walls. The allocation of the 3 pavilion proposals for the different patios of the Faculty of Architecture is shown. Changing the number of modules used. 5 models in Patio de los Pinos. 3 modules in Patio Taller Carlos Lazo Barreiro. 5 models in Patio de los Huesitos. In this floor has a set of furniture for counseling, so that students receive feedback from teachers. This floor has a set of furniture destined for the exhibitions. For the reason the furniture is in the center of each model, so that the walls, which are ropes, are placed with exhibition sheets just like in the final sentences. This floor has a set of furniture for the forums, where people can be listeners while the speaker walks freely through the pavilion. In this section, the pavilion appears seen from the Patio de los Pinos, and how there is a certain visibility from the outside to the inside. In this section, the pavilion appears as seen from the Patio de los Pinos, but now on its rear part. Part of the framework that supports the roofs can even be seen. In the presented elevations, you can perfectly see the set of heights of the roofs. It makes it more attractive to the eye. The height of the pavilion is also distinguished with respect to the people who are outside. The furniture was created to be multi-purpose. The main figure is a cube. Could be used as chair, table, bookcase. Can even make a set of cubes and use it as shelf or other type of furniture. The goal is to adapt to different activities. The model of the Faculty of Architecture. Here can be seen a close-up of each of the different pavilion configurations. Number 1, Patio de los Pinos. Number 2, Patio del Taller Carlos Lazo Barreiro. And number 3, Patio de los Huesitos. Now the model of the pavilion. Here you can appreciate the ropes, the main structure, and the roofs. And also there is a certain visibility from the outside to the inside, and you can see the furniture. The materials used are pinewood pulling, pine plywood, pinewood planks, pinewood slats, pinewood beams, jute rope, for assembly of stainless steel connectors. In this exploded view, you can see the components of the central structure of the pavilion: the plywood roof, wood insulated structure, jute ropes, plank floor, and wooden beams. The foundation is mainly composed of a pine wood frame, made of interlocking beams and planks, assembled with screws to let it be covered by a wooden floor. The roofs. Made of pine plywood sheets, the roofs have a slight slope for the fall of water. They will carry a treatment to waterproof the wood and varnish to help better preserve the material and its appearance. The roof is supported by a frame and a wooden pawling. Finally, the rope lattice. Made of 200 sorry, 2160 ropes. The rope lattice is mainly designed to be the walls of the pavilion. In this way, they can be removed and put on as required by the activity to be carried out within the pavilion. Also allows for good ventilation. Thanks for your attention. Alcalatl.